Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Today we're doing a video about DIY Detail's 3-year coating. I'm putting my 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee in velvet red. I got the 3-year DIY Detail coating kit. It came from AutoForge. It's got the actual coating itself, an applicator that's got a neat handle on it because I've coated other cars and don't have that kind of handle. And then we have our panel prep. The Jeep has already been polished, and we're going to give it a try and see how easy it is to apply, see if it is DIY friendly. So the first step for putting on a ceramic coating of any variety is prepping the panel. And most people it could be a sales pitch, most people that you watch on YouTube talk about coating cars as you match the panel prep to go with the product that you're applying. So I made sure I had panel prep along with this. So first we're going to prep the whole hood. And I'm going to show you on the hood. I'm not going to have you watch me do the whole Jeep. That'd be boring. That'd take a while. Man, watch this stuff flash off, though. It flashes fast. I don't know if you all can see it in the camera with the lighting. That is the fastest flashing prep I've ever used. I've used like 3 different ones. So the idea behind this is it takes off any oils, any polish residue that you might have that would interfere with your ceramic coating from bonding. And DIY Detail is not just straight ceramic, it's SiO2, which is what people call ceramic. Plus it's got some silica and some graphene. Okay, so that's what the bottle looks like. Here it is on the foam applicator. Apply some here. I'm just going to do, it says do it circular motions. It doesn't say to do the cross-hatching like other coatings do. So we'll just do this section here. You see it's a little grabby. So doing this spot as a test spot. Let it haze up. It sounds like this. In the instructions, this stuff takes a little while to haze. As you can tell, this velvet red is a dark red that Jeep has. Put the applicator over here. This is the towel that was included in the kit. And we see it is starting to haze up some. It doesn't take long on most ceramic coatings, and it wipes off. Super easy. Now look at that. Nice reflection. So we'll go work on this more, maybe try another spot. It's got different lighting, see how it works. But so far, it's definitely DIY friendly, hence their name. Okay, so now we're to the back of the Jeep. A little more natural lighting here. We'll get the top of the tailgate. You can see how easy it spreads on. Get the trim piece here since we can do the lenses and the plastics. My plan is I'm going to be doing the get all the painted surfaces first, then go after the black plastics. Okay, so this is what it looks like when we ceramic coat plastic trim. Now, Ivan LaCroix says that you never ceramic coat old plastic trim or oxidized plastic trim. With this being a new vehicle, it's safe to do this. I even messaged Ivan personally to make sure this was okay to ceramic coat, because this was built in January. I bought it in March. It's now May. I was just curious how new is new to him for that. So, but he messaged back and said that we should be safe. This was, go ahead. His words were, go ahead and do it. You see, it does add some darkness to it. And these Chrysler plastics are famous for fading out early, so I want to make sure I protected these things. Where I've been using this pad for a while, it's pretty saturated, so the product travels very far. So yeah, we'll let it sit up for a little bit. Wipe it off, see if much comes off. So this may be like those graphene trim cues I used on my truck from lithium were didn't really change a whole lot when you wiped it off. Yeah, see, it doesn't change the look much at all. So that's what it looks like on plastic trim. If your vehicle is new enough, you can do that. I guess Ivan's point is, if it's oxidized, there's not much you can do to ceramic coating. It makes it worse because it locks in the oxidation, if I understand him correctly. So that's it on plastic trim. And here we have it, guys. We have a ceramic coated Jeep with DIY detail, 3-year coating. Now, is it easy to use? Yes. Actually, I used C-Quartz UK before, and I thought it was easy to use, but this is even easier. It flashes off nice, doesn't flash off too fast. It's very forgiving, like high spots you find when they wipe off pretty easy, because I've found several. What I coated before was my wife's silver Jeep Wrangler, and silver hides a lot of stuff. So, yeah, this color is cool. I mean, it looks even shinier and reflective now with the ceramic coating on there. So I would recommend that if you're wanting a ceramic coating, the DIY detail is a good one. I did a 3-year coating because they had the 8-year coating also, and this is a leased vehicle, so I have a 3-year lease. So unless I buy the lease out, probably get something else by there before then. So, but this is a nice coating for the price. It's similar to C-Quartz, but if it lasts a year longer, because C-Quartz UK is a 2-year coating, is it a better bargain for the money? So I appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe if you like these kind of videos, and we'll see you next time I play with my vehicle some more.